Hello, Laney Scholars. In this tutorial, we will show you how to access Laney Library databases remotely from off-campus. This will involve 4 quick and easy steps. First, using your preferred internet browser, type laney.edu/library in the address box, then press Enter. Alternatively, if you're already on the Laney College website, locate the green banner at the top of the page and click the library link on the right. Second, once in the library homepage, scroll down to the center of the page and click the Databases icon on the left. Third, locate your database in one of 4 ways: scrolling up or down the alphabetical list of database names, clicking on the letter the database name begins with, clicking on the drop-down menu that lists database by subject, or clicking on the drop-down menu that lists databases by type. Fourth, once you've found a database that's relevant to your research, click the blue name link to enter the database. A pop-up window will appear if this is the first time you're accessing the database on your browser from off-campus. Enter your last name in the top box and student ID number in the bottom box, and then click the Submit button. You're now in the database. If you need help with accessing or navigating databases, email library@peralta.edu or use the library's live chat online reference for help.